Owen, is this first time on your new bike? Whoa, you on the bike that Papa got you? Did Papa get you a new bike? Yeah, you say thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
Yeah, good boy. Look at this nice bike you got. Whoa, whoa. Hey, whoa, whoa, and I got an orange hat to match.
Steer.
Come on, BB-8, let's go. First time on a new bike. Whoa, now I'm really rolling with the homies. Rolling with the homies, yeah. Whoa, whoa, Dad gotta get you a helmet, okay? Yeah, we gotta have a helmet on this guy now. You put on your helmet? Dad got you a helmet too.
Look, you can just hang this here.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put your helmet on. Dad got you this new helmet.
Ready?
Oh, Mom got it. Whoa, there we go. Looking good.
Look up.
Looking good. Oh, looks good in a helmet. Okay, should we start pushing you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Yeah.
You pedal. Push your pedals.
Can you get it yet? You
Push
can
your
do
pedals.
it. Push your pedals. Push hard.
Use those little baby muscle legs.
Not yet. Hey, buddy. Not yet.
You having fun?
Yeah.
More fun. More fun. You gotta steer. He's humming. You gotta steer. Turn, turn, steer, steer, steer.
Go, Dad. Go, Dad.
Perfect little helmet for this bike.
Mm-hmm.
Steer, you're gonna hit the pole.
Gotta steer, bud.
Gotta steer. Turn. Turn the corner. Oh, good job. Mrs. Pole. Good job. Maneuvering.
Here we go. Steering. Gotta be steering. Gotta be steering. Whoa, dip. Whoa, steering. Whoa, here we go, steering. Here we go, steering. Good job. Good job.
You gonna make this big turn again?
Turn here. Whoa, good job. Good job. Good job.
He's cute.
Cutie. Whoa. Oh, good steering. Good steering. Oh, don't let go of them. There you go. Oh, going. It's raining, so we're gonna go back inside now. We went out for a little bit, hey? That's good. When's first bike ride? Yay! Whoa, whoa. Now we go back in the house, hey? Okay. You like your new bike? bike? Say thanks, Papa.
Thanks, Papa.
Yeah, I like some new bike, hey. Okay, let's go. Whoa, turn around.